Flexing once again mga sisis, mga kapapshis natin. Flexing this for the last time kasi this was checked out na on other platform. Yan. Although naging available to sa Shopee, sa TikTok shop natin. Yan, pero so, ayan. This is pang ilan ko ba siya? Pang second or third na handbag painting. I started doing handbag painting some year 2020. Yan. So, ayan yung ano natin. So, ang original na ano neto, issue neto is nag-fade yung stripe niya here. So, dapat ganito siya. Yan, meron siyang stripe here. So, this Pro 1 na handbag na Coach natin, authentic, is may patent combination siya. Plus, meron siyang leather combination, vintage leather combination. Plus, I'm not sure kung anong tawag dito sa strap na to. And then, yung ating ano, I'm not sure if this is yung coated canvas ba na tinatawag. Yan na, nakamono. Yan. So, may pocket tayo here. May pocket, functioning pocket here. Functioning pocket here also, and this one. Tapos, good condition on a brass hardware, medyo tarnished na bag. So, I'm going to say goodbye to this. Actually, gustong gusto ko siya. Pero, ayun nga, kailangan ko na rin siyang i-let go. Yan. So, para sa nakamind nito, yan, please take care of this bag kasi talagang super favorite ko to. Yan. And at the same time, na-exhibit to digitally, online, sa Lasal Annual Arts Congress. Ayan. So, consider this as a piece of artwork. So, aside from the bag, na good condition siya, kahit pre-love, the artwork or the art piece painted on your bag is exhibited online. So, mga kapapshi, sa mga gustong magpa-customize and magpa-bag painting, art bag painting of your bag, yan, please don't forget to just DM us lang for inquiries. Okay? Thank you very much! Since we're shipping this out, dahil na-check out na siya, and I've noticed na may mga konting dumi-dumi siya dyan, dust maybe, dun sa hand-painted natin. So, for those who are asking how to maintain the bag painted area, yan, simple lang naman siya. Okay? Pwede naman siyang applyan ng ano. Anyway, yung mga hand-painted natin na art sa bag natin, sa leather bag, are all top-coated. So, ibig sabihin, safe siya na punasan. Okay? So, ang example niyan is, nakapagpunas na ako. Ayan, no? May mga ano na ako. I just use an alcohol. You can also use leather conditioner. So, as you can see, ito alcohol. Spray lang ako sa cotton tissue. So, madalas ang gamitin ko pang linis ng bag are cotton tissue. Okay? Kasi, para hindi siya madaling mag-break out. So, simple lang. Punas lang natin sa surface. Yan. Punas lang sa surface. Tapos, lightly lang. Huwag masyadong madiin ang pagpunas. Very lightly lang. Okay? So, it's safe na gamitin. Okay? You can also use leather conditioner on the surface. Yan. You can use leather conditioner on the surface. Para just in case, very safe siya na gamitin. Gamitan ng alcohol. Or kung let's say, biglang natapunan ng any liquid, yan, magpe-fade ba or biglang matakot kayo na naku, paano na yan, natapunan siya ng alcohol, natapunan siya ng water, basta hindi naman siya nababad or totally na-sink sa water, wala tayong problem. Although kahit ma-sink to sa water, walang problema. Because if naka-follow kayo sa TikTok natin, yan, meron akong Farla, yan, Farla jelly bug, na ginamit natin sa Boracay, na bumabagyo, so naulanan yun at naarawan, pero same pa rin ang condition ng hand paint bag natin. So don't be afraid. Again, plus, since top coated siya, wala tayong issue sa sa paglinis niya. So as you can see, madali siyang nawala. So dust lang naman kasi, so tsaka mga kakahawak-hawak ganyan. Kaya nagkaroon siya ng parang dumi. But as you can see, all goods na naman siya. Okay, so ready to ship out this. Ibabox na natin and send out na natin sa miners. Thank you very much mga kapapshi. So follow our shop, follow our TikTok and other account natin for tips on how to maintain hand painted bags. Alright, mga kapapshi, see you!